The wet morning here in Natal, Brazil. As you can see, it's been raining a lot. Yesterday we had a bit of sunshine, but today it looks like a wet day. I hope it doesn't interrupt the Ghana village thing going to happen tonight because Becca is supposed to perform. So yeah, I'm just in my room, woke up tired, trying to do some work, and yeah, well, it's raining, so I'm just going to be indoors and do some work. So I just came for supper at the shopping center, at the Praia shopping center. I came along today. Tonight we're going to see Becca perform. She hasn't performed since I've been here, so I'm looking forward to seeing it, and hopefully it's going to be a good one. So I just had my supper. I'm going to rest a little bit before I head to the center to witness the performance. So see you soon, and I hope to get enough footage for you guys. Cheers. So this is what is happening at the Ghana in Brazil Center at the moment. Looks like things are about to start. Lots of cheering going on in the background. The supporters union together, hearing the usual Jama songs, and you can see at the back lots of excitement. Of course, the Brazilians are joining in and singing along, waving flags, Ghana flags. They are positive that Ghana can beat Germany this weekend, so let's see how it goes. Trains are about to start off. Like I said earlier, Becca is performing today, so let's go. Alright, so I'm backstage with Becca. She's getting ready to wow Brazil. Becca, what should we expect?
Well, every time I'm going on stage, I give my all, and so it's going to be different. We're going to sell our culture and show everything Ghanaian, so expect my very best.
The question is, are you going to move the crowd?
Yes, I am. I believe I am. With God on my side and practice. I've practiced with the band in Ghana for a while, so I'm actually looking forward to my first performance, which is today, and I'm excited about it. So we are definitely going to move not just the Ghanaian crowd, but the Brazilian crowd. But
this is the first time you are performing here.
Yes.
Is it going to be the last?
No, there's a lot more lined up after I'm going to come back from Fortaleza. There's a few more lined up as well, not just here, but in other places as well.